Because the fast-growing number of new coronavirus cases in Egypt have forced authorities to change the academic semester in the country. The Egyptian government had initiated plans to improve the education and health system to uplift the standards of the citizenry. Parents have expressed concern about their children's education system despite government plans to improve online learning. Let's have more of that in this report.
Hours after confirming that learning in all schools will proceed regularly, the Egyptian Education Minister has reversed his decision. He says students will switch to full online education for the remaining 2 weeks of the semester. He has also postponed midterm exams indefinitely and announced a rare 5 weeks winter break. The decision has been caused by the recent surge in COVID-19 infections across Egypt.
الدولة المصرية عملت المعادلة الصعبة.
Healthcare and education have been the prime areas the government wanted to develop in the recent years. It's been very hard to separate them during this COVID-19 pandemic. The government is trying to keep a delicate balance between strong education and keeping everyone safe.
ما حدث بقرارات مجلس الوزراء وبتوجيهات من الرئيس السيسي.
While the decision to keep students learning has been praised, studying at home has often been seen as a source of pain by many parents.
My children are forgetting what they've learned. I can't send them to tutoring centers because the government banned their operations to curb infections. We try to access the online platforms, but it's complicated for us. The kids don't understand anything taught on the TV channels because they teach fast there. The learners can't ask questions. I don't know what I can do to help.
They must improve the online experience. The internet speed has become terrible with everyone going online. The load on the education platforms makes their servers crash frequently. It's been useless so far.
There are about 28 million students, teachers and staff in the public sector alone. With the exception of high school students who receive tablets from the government, there's a huge gap in learners' access to technology.
If infection rates surge by the end of the midterm break, the government policy is very clear. Full online education will continue in the second term. The remaining problem, though, will be the process of evaluating students' progress. Online evaluation does not provide equal opportunities to all Egyptian students.
This is the second consecutive academic year that gets interrupted by the COVID-19 pandemic. The impact this year, however, appears to be much worse. Schools have started 1 month later than the usual, and after just 2 months of education, 1/3 of the Egyptian population find themselves once again forced to stay at home.